Hi guys, I'm Mike and I'm doing a review for Expert Trades on this Wera micro screwdriver kit. Now, before I bought this, what I used to use was this one. Now, I can't knock this in any way whatsoever. There's 12 screwdrivers, brilliant kit, took a lot of abuse and everything. The only reason I changed it was this is a bit bulky, and if you're anything like me, I can't really fit much more in my tool case. It is pretty jam-packed. As well, to be honest, this is nice, small, and it's got 10 bits in it, all the most relevant for I need. If I do want extra, you can find them cheap enough, and they just fit right down there. Just pops out, all the bits lock into the driver. They're not magnetically held. I'm not a particular big fan of magnetically held bits. Lock in, they ain't going nowhere till you release this little collar. Backspin just like a normal Wera micro driver, and you can just work away, no problem. Nice positive lock. When you want to release them, just push forward, bits come out, and they fit back in. And mainly I bought it because it saves a ridiculous amount of space for something I only use a hop and a skip. But when I need it, it comes in handy, and I know it's not going to break because it's Wera. Top quality, and I definitely recommend one for anybody who uses a micro screwdriver now and again and doesn't want it taking up a lot of space in the tool case. Alright guys, thanks anyway, see ya.